Hello everyone, welcome back to Jyoti Recipes Ab Swad Har Ghar Mein. Friends, today we are here with most awaited and requested recipe from many of my friends, that is smoky brinjal bengan ka bharta. This recipe made by me is favorite recipe of many. So they requested me to upload the video of the same. So here it goes. Do watch this whole video to get the perfect taste. Do like, share and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed yet. So why wait? Let's watch this recipe. 3, 2, 1 and go. I have taken 2 brinjals measured 500 grams. Washed them with water, wiped them with the cloth and made holes with help of a fork. Applied some oil and then roasted them on medium to high flame. In order to make the video short, I just skipped the washing part and all those parts. Directly I am just showing you the roasting part. So you have to roast it from all the sides until the skin of the brinjal turn soft and it gets roasted from all the sides. Once it is roasted from all the sides, you can keep it on a plate, let it cool down. So let's move with the next process. Take a pan, heat it, add 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and cumin seeds each, 2 green chilies, chopped green chilies, some chopped coriander leaves, 1 big size chopped onion, some curry leaves. Saute it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 4 chopped garlic cloves. Saute it well until onion turns soft. Till onion turns soft, I just peeled out the skin of the brinjal. Once the onion has turned soft, I added some asafoetida, that is hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon goda masala. If you do not have goda masala, do not worry, you can add garam masala and coriander and cumin powder. You can also add Maharashtrian garlic and onion masala. If you do not have, do not worry, we already added some onion and garlic earlier, so do not worry. Smash the brinjal with your hands and just add its paste. Give it a nice mix. Superb. It is so aromatic, I can't say how nice it is. Make sure this is cooked on a medium to low flame. You do not have to make the flame high. Now you can add 1 raw onion, chopped raw onion, some celery seeds. You have to crush it with the hands and then add it, that is ajwain, and some salt at the end, that is 1 tablespoon salt, 2 to 3 tablespoon roasted groundnut powder. Give it a nice mix and that's it. Make sure you serve it with some coriander leaves and some chopped spring onions. This is so delicious. You can have this with jawar roti. I am sure if you make this recipe in the same way, you will keep licking your fingers. If you do like this recipe, please give a like, share and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more such recipes. Eat healthy, think healthy, live healthy and keep watching Jyoti Recipes Ab Swad Har Ghar Mein. Thank you.